starting to remodel this very old shower. It is in my basement. So this is the last bathroom I have to remodel since I got this house. I remodeled all the bathrooms. And I saved this one to last. As you can see, it is very old. So I bought the materials 2 years ago. And I'm just now getting around to doing it. So I'll let you all come along on the journey. Look at the mismatch over there. This don't even look right. I don't know what they did before I was here. And the door doesn't hardly work. The shower doors are gone. Little by little, it's coming out. It is called a gut. Okay, this is an update. So it is gutted. Ooh, that little thing is out. You can see the ceiling now. Cool. Okay guys, we're gonna do the unboxing of the shower faucets that I bought for the remodel. So it just came via Amazon delivery a little while ago, and the plumber is on his way right now to fit it before they close up the walls in the shower. So I hope it's right. If I can get it open, I'll show you. So I was going with a matte black look. Oh, it's all in pieces, but okay. So this is the matte black. So this will be the plate. It has hot and cold on it. Ooh. And then all the little pieces are in here. Set this over here. Okay, here's the shower head. So it'll be at an angle. So I like that. And so, of course, the plumber is coming for this part because I'm changing the walls, and I can take you back there to show you. But let's see, got another box here. I also ordered, let's see, some jets. So these are the jets that I ordered. So I ordered 4 jets. Put this all in there. So it looks like that. Hopefully he can work with this. Of course, I'm going to show you the finished product once everything is up. But I just want to do that unboxing. These came from Amazon. I needed it quickly, and I got them. So let me take you back here. Ouch. To show you. See if I can, oh, let me turn you around. Okay, so I ordered materials. I had materials for this remodel 2 to 3 years ago, And because this is the basement, I put other remodel rooms ahead of it. So, but this is the tile. They left the door open today, so every little flying animal is in here. This is the tile, and the tile is going to be stacked like this on the wall, like that. And then this is going to be the accent. So the floor of the shower is going to be this. And it'll have one accent piece going up the middle of the wall in the shower. So you walk in. So the shower faucets were on this side, which made absolutely no sense for the faucet to be over here where the toilet is, because that means you would have to pull open the door, which was a sliding door, and you couldn't really get to the shower to start it. It makes no sense because the toilet is right here. So I'm having them move the faucet over to this wall. So therefore, all you have to do is just reach in, turn on the water, and let it get to the desired temperature without hassle. And so the black towel will be on the floor, and then there'll be a niche somewhere up in here, and then the black towel will run up the middle to the ceiling, and then the white towel will be surrounding it. So that's what we're doing. Just wanted to touch base with you, come back and give you an update on the fixtures. This is day 2. Okay, this is day 2 of the shower remodel, and the guys just left. They came in and put the concrete on the floor of the shower. And they opened the walls back up here because the plumber forgot to put in, I guess, the connections for the jets to go in. So the plumber has to come back later today and do that. So that's where we are, day 2. Okay, this is still day 2. So the plumber came back, and the jets are gonna be over where you see the little yellow thing sticking out. Like I said earlier, they had forgotten that I wanted jets, and so I thought maybe they could be on this wall, but it was too difficult, too much work, so we decided we'll just put them on this side. So we'll see what it looks like. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, so that's where we are for today. And the cement, I guess, is still drying, so the next step would be to tile the floor. So that is next. Okay, this is day 4, and they have started to put the tile in. No grout yet, just the tile. And just that wall for right now. They'll be back tomorrow. Oh, and then they put this strip down too.